Speedo. You see here, this right here is what happens when you don't wear your seatbelt. So we got the nice little car right here, and they have been ejected from the car. And now they're laying out in the middle of the road, dead. Yeah, he's dead. And now they have to scoop him off the road. Why? Because he's flattened like a pancake. But if you wear your seatbelt, you're sitting there, you know, your seatbelt will lock, and it will stop you from getting ejected out the windshield. And you don't end up like this. So this is why you have to wear your seatbelt.